If you're facing a plugged in, not charging issue on your laptop using Windows 10 or 11, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll go through some steps to fix this common problem. Let's get started. Before we dive into the fixes, make sure to check the basics. Ensure your power adapter is properly connected to both your laptop and the power outlet. Also inspect the charging cable and port for any visible damage. Step 1. Perform a power reset. Sometimes a simple power reset can resolve charging issues. Here's how to do it. Power off to your laptop. Disconnect to the power adapter. Remove the battery if it's removable. Press and hold the power button for 15 to 30 seconds. Reinsert the battery. Reconnect the power adapter and power on your laptop. Windows 10 and 11 have built-in battery settings that can sometimes affect charging. Let's check them out. Right-click on the battery icon in the taskbar and select Power Plan or Power Options. Or you can open your settings by pressing Windows plus I and search for Power Plan. Now click on Edit Power Plan. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down and expand the battery section. Outdated or corrupt drivers can sometimes cause charging issues. Let's update those. Press Windows key plus X and select Device Manager. Expand the battery section. Right-click on the batteries and click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will search for and install any available updates. And that's it. You've got several methods to try and fix your plugged-in no charging issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.